Now this, I keep telling people this is the most vital part of the situation. See these silicone around there? Wipe it in, squash it in, yeah? Beautiful. Beautiful. That is what we're talking about. In a shower room, remember, these tiles look nice, but they're a lot of work. And look at that. That is just perfection. Look at that. Woo! What does that remind you of, lads? You've all got mucky minds, haven't you? Especially you women. Sat there with your tongue out. Make sure it's perfect like that. That's perfect coming down. Remember, I am 6'4". Remember, this room's made for dwarfs. So if you're a dwarf, you'll like it. If you're a dwarf, you could buy it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next job, this one. Now there's one thing I will say. These are quality. It's a bit like this body warmer quality, and you can buy it in bottom left hand corner. Do you know what I mean? It's perfect for work. It's nice and warm. Zip's good. The hood's good, especially when you're doing work like this, you're not getting wet. And the price is excellent, and you can buy it bottom left hand corner. What you need to do is screw that in, fit in, yeah? And then we know where that goes. So what you have to do is just put a mark on it, yeah? Oh! Put it on the highest part, because these tiles are that rough, and the bowed in, bowed out, bowed in, they're not flat. Get it on the biggest part. Oh, I've just brought my lead in my pencil.
Thought you didn't have enough lead in your pencil.
I tell you what, I had that much lead. I tell you what it is, lads. Never ever cover with a customer, because it ends up with maintenance and a long time of pain. Then once we've marked it, we get a tape measure that, and then we're going to cut this part off. Just going to cut it off, and then we're going to screw that back in. We're going to know that it's bang on. And don't forget to like, share and follow. And always remember, now when we cut this off, you need to cut it off with some purpose, because see them lines there? You have to cut it round that line. Don't go just go cutting it all the way across it. I'm going to use my multi-tool. I can't show you this on camera because people just don't understand the method of Mickey's madness and quality of work. So I'm going to use my multi-tool with a metal blade, and it's going to go boom, straight through there. And then we're going to screw that in. Right lads, I'm going to show you how to use a multi-tool. This is how you use a multi-tool, this is how you don't lose your fingers. And what we need to do is, see that groove there? This little groove? Beautiful. Always watch it, because that gets a little bit warm. But in Mickey's world, he's always warm. Bish bash bosh.
You'd have to
Oh yeah, baby. Like a jobbing towel.
You'd have to get a shower seat in there.
See why we screw it in like that? Because we've got a cap to go on there like that. And it's just beautiful. I could go back on my head. Just as long as I could wash the gun, and I'm not bothered, do you know what I mean? And then for this one here is so important to have this round this, yeah? I don't matter. You're better off letting it squash out, yeah? Because if this all ain't sealed, what happens is splashes off there, goes down there, goes in there, and then they're no good. I use PTFE tape. Reason why I use PTFE tape, never let me down in life. Do you know what I mean? It's never let me down in life. And my mate needs toilet, I think. We'll get a little Allen key in. This is like perfection. See that? Just perfection, yeah? Tight. Tasting. He loves it. He loves it, does my mate Jez. As the tile's wobbly, what you have to do is balance it, yeah? Oh, nice. Nice. Now that is what you call perfection at its best. I think we'll give it one more tweaky. Oh yeah. And that is it. Show them a nice close up of that. See these tiles? These tiles are not flat tiles, they're all over the tiles. So it's very tricky trying to get these brackets, and it's very tricky to make that look beautiful and perfect. Can you see that beautiful and perfect? Don't forget to like, share and follow MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. And there we go. Shower fit to perfection and to perfection. It is beautiful. One more test. Does it work? Oh yeah, that works. Oh yeah, that just worked beautifully. Never ever have your hose spraying against the grout lines, because that is not good. All you're going to do is cause complication and leaks. Always remember the 5th of November. And MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms, running. It's truly beautiful. It's got a bit of air in it. I like it a lot. Beautiful. Right, let's get it on, let's get it tested, let's get it hot. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Oh, that's coming hot now. Remember, it's got to travel all the way from the boiler. It's got to come up to 2 floors. But to be fair, that's getting hot quite quick. Oh, I like it. I could get in there now. I could just have a lovely shower. It's beautiful. I could just have a lovely shower in that. See if lads want to get in the shower. Just got to leave it running for a couple of minutes, make sure it's getting hot enough. If it's not getting hot enough, what you have to do is, see this nut here, you unscrew this nut, turn that shower round, and it'll get hotter. Because as soon as you move that over, it will get colder. But that is hot enough. We don't want to be scolding people. Beautiful. I might give it a little tweak just to get it a little bit hotter. Whenever you're doing a screen, this is really important. This. Always clear silicone, good quality clear silicone. Don't buy something cheap. Don't use CT1 either, because it's crap. Yeah? CT1 is not a silicone. CT1 is an adhesive. Always remember. And it'll go yellow. Always fill the hole in. Always make sure you fill the holes in where you're screwing. Then put your plugs in. Fill them in again. Then we're going to put the screen on. always make sure we've got that clear bit there first, then we put the rail on. I never silicone the back of the rail anymore, because I used to do that, but when you've been in business as long as me, when you go back, say about 5 years or 6 years or something like that, to change the screens, because they don't last forever, you cannot get the bar off the tile. So it's a nightmare. So now I just silicone the holes up, and then I silicone down the back of the screen on the side. So if you come to replace it, all you do is cut the silicone down, unscrew the screws, and it comes off. Big fast wash, don't forget to like, share and follow.